I am so excited. See that bird right there? Okay, now it's on the bird feeder. Oh my gosh, that bird is yellow. I haven't had this bird here before. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I think you can even see in this video, even though you may not see the bird itself clearly, you can see the yellow on it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm afraid to move because I don't want to scare the birds away. I'm gonna try. Oh my God, I am so freaking excited. Okay, I'm gonna try to get up here and see if I can get closer. Do you see that there? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Don't fly away, little bird. I have never, ever, ever had this bird here before. Oh my gosh. Come back, birdie. There it is. There it is. Okay. Oh gosh, I don't know what it is. A finch, a nuthatch, I know it's not somebody's escaped parakeet or canary. This is like a real bird here that lives in this area. So we got house finches. That's a house finch there on the feeder. Oh my gosh, the bird is in the bush there. Okay, the bird's flown, whoops, way over by the tree over there, so it might have gone back into the woods. Oh no, it's fluttering around by the tree. You can see I've got lots of birds here. And they just, okay. The birds are now seeing me, and a lot of them are flying away. But we've got, oh, birdies. Well, I'm sorry that you're scared of me. That yellow bird is still back there, kind of hopping around. Oh, it's getting a little too far away to see. Okay, well, this is my morning bird report. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, there goes the last one. Okay. I need to move away so these birds can come back and eat.